Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So I hope that by now you might have got the One UI 7 update on your flagship phones like the S22, S23 and the S24 series. And if not yet, you can check for the update by simply going into the settings, then tapping on software update, then you have to tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see the new One UI 7 update. So the One UI 7 update brings in some crazy new features and the UI changes that you guys might love. Also, with the One UI 7 update, the control panel is now redesigned. As you can see on the right side, there is a new control panel of the One UI 7 update. And once you will update your phone to the One UI 7 update, your settings for the control panel will be turned on default, in which from the right side you can access the settings and from the left side you can access the notifications. But it is quite annoying, so you can change it by simply tapping on this edit icon, then panel settings. From here you have to tap on this together. Now you can view the notifications and the control view of quick settings together. As you can see, now it is back to normal. I'm used to this pattern, so I really like this one. Another setting that you are missing out with the One UI 7 update is that in the apps you can access these apps in the vertical drawer method as well. For that, simply tap on these three dots and from there tap on sort. Now tap on alphabetical order. Now all of these apps will be available in this format. So if you're someone who like the apps in this format, so this one is for you, or you can turn it back to normal as well. Next up, you get to see AI search in settings app as well. From the settings, tap on search. Now you just have to type that what you are feeling or what is your issue, and it will give you all the possible solution settings for that. As you can see, I searched for battery draining fast and it have given me all the possible solutions for that. Next up, some of the devices are also facing a lag while locking their phones. They are facing a 1 to 2 second lag while locking their phones after the One UI 7 update. So here is a easy fix for that as well. Simply go into the settings, then tap on display. Now scroll down and tap on screen resolution and turn Quad HD Plus, and it will resolve your issue. But the only downside of this solution is that it will drain more battery in the QHD Plus. So I hope that Samsung will fix this issue really soon. Next up, there are some settings available for the lock screen as well. By long pressing in the lock screen, you can access these settings, and there are some new styles for the time available with the One UI 7 update. As you guys can see, these are the two new styles available with the One UI 7 update. And that's not it, there are some further settings also available by long pressing in the center and tapping on this lock icon. So there are multiple lock icons available, or you can select any icon from your gallery as well. As you can see, you can select any image as a lock icon for your lock screen. And that's wrap for today's video. These were some of the settings that you guys might be missing out with the One UI 7 update and some hidden features. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates. And let me know in the comment section that have you got the One UI 7 update on your device or not yet.